Take a boneless chicken and cut it nicely. Subscribe to my channel if you want to cook these kind of recipes. Now put the chicken in the bowl. Add red chili in it for more taste. You can easily buy it from the market. Now, add vinegar. Mix all the stuff properly. Putting our chicken in the saucepan for boiling.